You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more confusing names from Greek mythology, Greek philosophers as well, stay tuned, there are more videos for you. Yes, I've seen videos on YouTube saying it's pronounced Pythias. No, the Greek pronunciation would be something like Pythias, and in English it's pronounced as Pythias. Th sound, Pythias. Pythias, alright? That's easy. Pythias, not Pythias. Pythias. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.